We have already entered into the month of May. And you know what that means? We're only getting bigger, badder, better breaks. 3 full boxes of WWE Topps Chrome Hobby. Can't slow down. I love entertaining. What can I say? Plus, it's my birth month. I got to go big. We're going to set these off to the side. April winner, White Sparkle rookie Cam Ward. It is a rookie. Looked it up. I have a feeling the winner's going to come from this break. I hope I'm right. Ones at the Kingdom. Put the ones up for the one-timer. You already know who that be. Let's get it. We got 3 full boxes, folks. I hope we have like 10 cards to sweat. This is going to be probably my longest video to date. I'm going to try to keep this as... I don't even know where I'm going to put all this base. Let's just set this over here for now. I don't want to keep you waiting too long. We are in May. We got some nice cards up there. We got a gold to 50 right out and a case hit. King of Hearts. I think those are like 1 or 2 per case. I can't make this up. Pack 1. Refractor of Elton Prince on the back. So all the base I'm probably going to keep. I don't really build sets, but at the same time, I might give all the base to someone to build for me. Why are most of these... I don't like that. Xavier Woods. The OTC. The Rock. Oh, I will take that all day and some, folks. That came out of left field. Alexa Bliss auto. What a great start. And I don't have sleeves or top loaders. Alexa Bliss. I will happily take that. I used to PC her, don't anymore, but I'll probably end up keeping that one just because I pulled it. There you go. Alexa. She going to be the, I mean, we got 3 boxes. We're going to be here. Yellow to 275. We got AJ Styles insert, and we got like a hyper, The Miz. Got a numbered card. Batista. I told myself I was going to hit a Batista. Batista. Right, we'll set those over there. Let's keep it going. We're 3 minutes in. It's probably going to be at least a half-hour break, I would have to assume. Apollo Crews. Tiffy time. And a Jada Parker. Let's keep it going. 3 full boxes. I do not like that back card like that. I've said that over and over. I know I'm like a broken record. Is that another gold? That is another gold. I just hope we have 15, like I said, 15 cards to sweat. I would have sweat the auto, but I had no idea it was going to hit it. May, lots of cool stuff. Lots of soccer planned. World Cup is upon us. Ooh, the Hogan card's sick. To $3.99 coming up. Ren Sinclair, that's cool. Grayson Walla. World Cup coming up. I am so excited. I cannot wait. By now, as many of you know, I will be attending Fanatics Fest in New York City. So if you want to meet me, if you're on the East Coast, we'll be set up there. Hopefully this is not another base auto. Nope, it's just a crappy pack. Super excited for that. I'm super excited to go to the World Cup. Tyler Bate. Oh, one of those. It's either Triple H or The Rock. If you smell. I do smell it. Sounds terrible, but it is what it is. The Rock. Do they make decent people in the negatives? To 199. Who's that? Viral Shock. Jordan Grace. Charlie Dempsey. I'll sleeve that up later. No offense, Mr. Dempsey, but Tazawa Silver. Chelsea Green card's pretty cool. Lola Vice card's really cool. Who's that rookie? Zelina. And the last pack, so that means one of those up there is going to be an auto. Unless it's this. That is an auto. It's a refractor auto. Do I sweat it? I gotta sweat it. I got to. I'm the king of the sweat. I got to. We'll put an auto up here. Box 2. I have nothing to... I don't even know what I do with my knife. Alright. Are you kidding me? Come on, Chris. Well, it's a good thing we got tools next to us. Let's just rip both of them. Here we go. Box 2. So we had a silver and a base auto. I want to see. I really want to hit a super, obviously. I'd really love to pull a super. But, you know, red to 5, black to 10. That'd be pretty cool. Ooh, I saw I had is the Blake Monroe card not a rookie? I guess not. First pack, we got a numbered card. Andre Chase, Jey Uso, and some guy. We'll sleeve him up later. Chase U. Come on. We need that case hit. We need that case. I hate the negatives on the back. I told you. Do they make anyone good in those? I need that case. I need a GPK. GPK is what I really want. See, this box doesn't have the backwards card. What is that? That's got to be something rare. That's got to be one of those case hits, too. Lanny Reed, rookie. I'll take that. That's got to be a good hit. I mean, that has to be a case hit, right? I will sleeve her up. That's a decent hit. Let's see what else I got. No, nothing else. I really wanted one of those garbage pail kids. There's another Blake Monroe. They used a lot better images in this, too, than before. I know they copied and pasted some. To 275 coming up. Braun Breaker. We'll sleeve Braun Breaker. Oh, come on, just something low. I think we got the case hit, which I don't know what parallel it is. I really wanted a GPK, but it is what it is. Is this a base pack? Sure is. Still got both autos to go. Numbered to 299. Tyson DuPont. Liv Morgan, Trish Stratus. Tyson DuPont, really? I'm not even going to sleeve that up. Probably the longest break I've done, but we're getting through it. Numbered to 75. All right, we got something low numbered. Good luck to me. Another Braun Breaker. And a JC. I told you, they don't make good people in the negatives. It's just, at this point, it's dang near common sense. And I got my base cards flowing out everywhere. I need those parallels of Blake Monroe, Julia. That's who I'm looking for. Ultimately, Bray Wyatt on the back. Future star. Oh, women's division, blue. Okay. Come on, something cool. Like the worst person. No offense to her, but I mean, that's got to be the worst person in the checklist. I mean, it absolutely has to be. Where are the autos? John Cena, Jade Cargill, and that guy. Please don't let me hit a big parallel of that guy. We're at 10 minutes. Box 2 is another women's division. Are we just not hitting autos? Rhea Ripley, Rikishi, the Tribal Cheeks. Last pack. This has got to have an auto in it. Right there. It's the blue to 150. And Stone Cold insert. Ooh, there's a Tatum Paxley. I know a guy. We'll keep both those. The blue auto. You bet we're sweating it. Make you guys wait till the end. That way you guys got to tune in. You got to watch the whole thing. You're pot committed. Well, I'm not going to show the sponsor here. It's not even sponsored. Just a quick refuel. Let me get some of this out of the way. All right. We have got extra room. We are good to go for the third and final box. Here we go. Come on, this is the box that's going to have the super fractor. This is the box with the super fractor. I can feel it. I know it. I honestly wouldn't mind seeing a redemption. I'm going to be straight up with the crowd. I would not mind seeing a redemption. Give us hope on something huge. First up, back-to-back numbered cards. And No Faye. Oh, Asuka's cool to $2.99. Roxanne and a Finn Balor. I will sleeve up the Asuka. The other guy, I will not. Another Stone Cold insert with a Shinsuke. To 150, Tavion Heights and junk. Come on. Come on. All base. Who's your guys' favorite wrestler? Please comment down below. Who was your guys' favorite wrestler? Current favorite wrestler? Old favorite wrestler? Doesn't matter. Undertaker image is cool. Carmelo. Obviously, you guys know we represent the ones here at Ones at the Kingdom, so you already know who I'm going to say. Lots of base so far in this. Oh, we got that's the second Rikishi. Auto. Bailey. Okay. Came across an auto you actually get to see. Bailey auto. All on card. Not bad. It's not better than Alexa, so we'll put it off to the pile over here. All right. Bailey. First auto. We need better than Bailey. We need better than Bailey. That's the last auto, NXT. So our autos sucked. Well, we're just going to look at it. No need to sweat this. Hey, Kalani Jordan. Not terrible. Not the greatest. Baleen, Kalani. Both base autos. Hopefully that's a sign that we're going to be seeing. We'll also keep that. We're going to see something very low numbered. Because I'm going to be honest with you. This box has been not great. But it could change to $199. Another negative. I told you, they make all bad people. And no fade. That's like my third numbered. Hey, there's a Julia. It's like my third numbered and no fade. We're getting low. To 250. Thea Hale used to PC her. 3 to go. Starting to hit numbered cards now, but we need something very... Oh, that's another... Oh, that's the Punk. Oh, that's going to be a CM Punk insert up there. It's not even going to be a case hit. Batista. CM Punk. Dang it. That's probably going to be it, huh? I'm going to have to check that out. This is probably a CM Punk card. Maybe not. Oh, it's an auto. Future Stars auto. Okay, so it's definitely not a case hit. So the case hit is still live. Could it be in here? Refractor Thea Hale. So I got one last pack to try to hit it. And I did not. Man, this box was not great at all. All right. Well, we did it, folks. Let's go autos first. Base SmackDown auto. Dang it. Nia Jax. Not beating Alexa Bliss. Not who I wanted. What was this? This was just a gold, I think. Julia Silver. Gold to 50, Naomi with a huge scratch. Scope Gold Naomi. Nice card. Not what I'm looking for. 2 to go. We'll go this. Future Star has a chance to be Blake Monroe. Come on. Big auto. It's a blue. Oh, it's a veteran. Come on. Rikishi. Number to 150. The Tribal Cheeks himself. It's isn't going my way so far. I'm not going to lie. We're down to one auto, and I think you get 2 per case. Maybe sometimes they're only 1. This is a Future Stars auto. Blake Monroe would be who I'd ultimately really want. Oh, freaking Zarya. Zarya, Future Stars. Nice, really nice looking card. Again, just not the person I want. We're down to the very end. Thank you all for watching. Alexa Bliss, the first card I hit is going to end up being the winner. Not a very good 3 boxes. WWE Topps Chrome. So we'll go with the gold to 50. Oh, God. I just can't see the light at the end of the tunnel. Elusive. Gold to 50. And The last hit, guys. Thank you all very much. This could beat Alexa. House of Cards. These are rare. It's not terrible. Brock Lesnar, House of Cards. I like Alexa more, to be honest. I'm going to give the win to Alexa. First break of May, 3 Tops Chrome. Alexa in the lead. One's at the Kingdom. Thank you all for hanging out with me for 20 minutes. Y'all have a good rest of the week. I'll see y'all later.